Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful pearl white 2017 Acura MDX. This is a beautiful Acura here. This one is with the technology package, so it does come with the navigation system and has the Honda Safety Sense suite, so you get the lane keep assist, the front collision avoidance, the adaptive cruise control, all that nice stuff. So Continental tires on this one all the way around, beautiful dual LED headlights, nice clean and clear. And then we get the revised front grille here that makes it look like you're driving through space and time with the stars. It's kind of like their vision there. But it comes powered with the 3.5 V6, so timing belt driven engine, already been done, no need to worry about that. Has even that nice little Acura detail there in the headlights. But beautiful rims on this one. These wheels are... These are 20-inch wheels on this, so very nice large wheel, beautiful looking wheel too. Four-wheel disc brakes, all the tires are in good condition. Smoke and pet-free interior. This is a one-owner vehicle, one minor reported on the accident history, so just bumper paint, so nothing major. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, and lift gate. Has now a push button for the glove box. And that comes with the original wheel lock. Wood grain trim, brushed nickel finish, nice clean dashboard, dual screens for stereo, rear backup camera, navigation, CD player, AM/FM, satellite stereo. Also comes with dual climate control settings, and then as well as the rear climate control settings. Power outlet, dual cup holders with a nice brushed nickel around, and then same with the surround on the gear shifter. It has its dynamic driving modes, so multiple drive modes in this. And then we get USB connectivity for charging and connectivity. Then we also get a charger, auxiliary port. So plenty of nice new tech now that come equipped in these. So you can move that cover there, and that's that nice wood grain trim as well too. Dual illuminated vanity mirrors, as well as LED map lights, sunglass storage, Acura Link with a paid subscription. Our sunroof and home link switches are there, and then it's got that beautiful frameless rear view mirror. I love those. Very nice feature there. But with Honda Safety Sense, the Honda Sense, you get all the nice adaptive cruise control features, and then you get dual charging USBs back here, the ability to control the rear AC, as well as the ability to move these seats with a push of a button. So you can push them up top or down below, and then they can move, fold, slide, all kinds of good stuff there, and you can get plenty of space here in that rear seat. And then they even continue that brushed nickel in the back with their cup holders. So then that's just that extra icing on the cake, that little nice touch that they do there. But seats and the leather's in perfect condition. Comes with the factory floor mats. It still smells like a brand new car inside, but it comes with that nice chrome strip there along that kick panel, and then you get the MDX logos on the doors now. And then all four doors are keyless smart entry, so just tap these or press them to lock and unlock the doors. It also comes with power side folding mirrors, which is a nice feature too. Dual exit exhaust, again with the chrome on the bottom to really just tie in all this chrome on the vehicle to give you that luxury sense for it. And then you can fold these rear third rows down, and then when you pull these, it automatically folds that headrest down, so that's easy to fold those in. And then got plenty of storage up underneath. We got a tire pressure inflator. Again, another charging port for that tire pressure inflator. That power lift gate, the rear backup camera. Nice front and rear of the vehicle has now been updated from the previous generations. Got that third brake light, that rear windshield wiper, the shark fin antenna for the satellite radio. So all that's nice, good features there. Then the leather on the door panels really ties everything together. So, but like I said, still smells new on the inside. Super, super clean vehicle. I mean, the one owner, definitely top pedigree. And all the windows are automatic up and down for all four corners. Got the power locks, got the power mirrors, and then This makes it automatically fold in when you lock the doors, but you get your fuel door and your trunk release down there, and then you get your dual memory seat settings with our power driver seat, lumbar support. So down here on the lumbar, you can move that out. And then coming behind the driver's side, we get brake hold. Again, another awesome feature when you're at a stoplight. You can take your foot off the brake, so you're not having to press that. And then you get the electronic rear parking brake, the front collision, lane keep assist, and traction control. And then on the stocks here, we get our automatic LED headlights, as well as front and rear interval wipers. And then they included the brushed nickel here on the switches, which is very nice. And then you get paddle shifters, of course, the new style wheel for the volume controls. I love the wheel control, and then you can also push it too. Same with the information one. That's, again, such an easy way to change the volume. I love that. Leather wrap steering wheel, perfect logo, beautiful and bright. Got the lane keep assist, the distance for the adaptive cruise control, and then all of our cruise control settings, Bluetooth, voice command, and then of course it wouldn't be Acura with our racing red push to start. So we can see here when we start it, we get the power side folding mirrors, we get the blind spot detection here in that A-pillar, and then as you can see with our cruise control lights, we got the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist in green, meaning it's working, no issues with it. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, and then we can scroll through information with our dynamic modes, so multiple drive modes down to empty. And we have our compass, oil life, tire pressure, so all kinds of good stuff there. And then we can switch to our nav screen. So we got that navy screen, and then this takes some getting used to if you're not used to it, but push down for reverse so you can see our backup camera. But reverse, drive, neutral, and park. If you automatically open the door when you're in drive, it'll put it right in park so it doesn't mess around with your safety. But as you can see, you can change those dynamic modes for multiple driving modes. 139,000 original one-owner miles. And then our ELS sound system just sounds great. And then this push button you can push in and push out if you want. You know, that way you can just use the wheel on the steering wheel. Very nice, easy transition there, no issues. And then so you can get your phone settings, your audio settings, and your info, and your screen also can change here for AC, so you just push on these and you can adjust your features there. But if you just keep it in auto, I mean, that's kind of the easiest way. And then you get dual heated seat function for the front. So plenty of options, plenty of tech. I love it. I love explaining it. I mean, we go through this all the time. You know, we sell so many of these Acura MDXs, and they are really reliable vehicles. So if you want to step your game up, you're looking to get rid of your old SUV, or you're just trying to jump into the SUV segment, you need a third row, you need something luxurious, something sporty, this one's offered at a really excellent price. I mean, these were almost $50,000 brand new, and you can pay a fraction of that now with, you know, the 139 on the miles. But get something with a little higher miles, clean, one owner like this, so you can save a little money and get just the same great product. So you can find this beautiful 2017 Acura MDX with tech package, one owner, exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.